First morning with my new yard. Wore out as all get out. Been moving for 2 days straight, from like 4 in the morning till 2 in the morning. So I'm tired, but we got her done. Oh, and the cats were all weirded out, so they're meowing all night, so it's not like we slept. Okay, this is it after it's mowed. Hoping I don't have to do that too many more times. Cutting half of this yard. I'm not too fond of grass. It's a lot of work with little reward. However, I do have kids and they do play in the yard. They're still at that age, so until they get at the age where they're not so interested in playing in the yard, I need a little bit of grass. So maybe after that I'll consider something else, but it's a start. So here's the update on my yard. Before you know it, this is going to be a huge garden. I'm excited. Now all I got to do is get all this in. Alright, my time's limited, so I'm gonna have to wing these videos and do all kinds of videos in one, and just hope that my editing skills are up to par to splice them all up to the videos that they belong to. But I got lots to say, so I'm gonna rant for about a half hour, and hopefully I'll catch it all that I need to talk about, because my life has been off the hook busy. I got promoted, had to move. We are currently moving from the house we're in. We've been here about 5 years, and I'll be honest with you, I'm a little sentimentally having a hard time with it, but I'm just going to say that I married my wife here. I had both my children here, and tonight when we were at our new house, they both were upset and confused that they couldn't come back to where we are right now. I had to come back because we've got odds and ends, one more big load, and I need to spend into the evening, probably to 2, 3 in the morning, to finish moving us. But I'm excited because for Garden Fever, I've got new property. I wasn't able to get acreage like I wanted that was close to my work that I could afford, so I had to settle for the largest lot that I could, and I got a pretty decent sized lot, so I'm pretty happy. It's pretty close to my work. So anyway, I'm excited for that because there's lots of it's a fresh slate, and I get to I get to like show everybody what I'm going to do to it. I'm so excited. There's so much with it we've got planned for that. But anyway,